Hi, my name is Sharon Smith Bouchard. I'm a dental hygienist and a functional medicine practitioner. I have been studying dentistry and practicing dentistry for 35 years. And I just want to share with you today my own experience of the correlation that I've had with oral health and whole body health, and my personal experience with that. In 2011, my husband was diagnosed with cancer of the lacrimal tear duct in his right eye. Through that experience at that point, I was 50 years old. My husband and I had been following a very strict vegan diet through the Cleveland Clinic and Dr. Eshelstein. We were feeling very healthy. We were exercising. We were addressing the spiritual part of our lives as well through yoga and meditation, and going to our local church. I felt very healthy through this stress of my husband's cancer. He was getting his treatments 4 hours away. He was living in this area, and he was living in Boston, like I said, which is 4 hours away. I had a 10-year-old son at the time, and through just the stress of it all and going to Boston to be with him and support him and running a farm and having a 10-year-old at home, just the stress of it all and being unable to follow through with continuing this fairly strict diet. Our diet started slowly changing, outside influences of eating out and not being able to really follow through with the food plan we've been having. I started to gain weight. My exercise dropped off. Stress just overcame, every part of my being. I was also working full time. And over the few years, my weight increased to about 4 years out. I was 40 pounds heavier. I was over 200 pounds. And I started to experience some issues with my gums. I was getting bleeding gums. I was also started to get decay in my teeth as well. At the same time this was happening, I was diagnosed with high blood pressure and I was put on a blood pressure medication. So I was on a blood pressure medication. At that point, I was like 54, 55 on that medication and still continuing to gain weight, still not eating healthy. And after I was about 56 years old, realizing that my 50s were passing me by, my husband's health had improved. We started looking at different things with diet and started slowly trying to get back to where we were, but we found it very difficult just with life and the stresses of life. In the meantime, my dental health had failed. I lost a tooth because of decay and a poor restoration. I ended up having an implant. I ended up getting a virus in my gums, which never was really diagnosed, but I know that it was related to what was going on in my body. And so 2020, I began to really dive deeper into the nutritional aspect of health. I started looking at my whole body. I started getting more fit. I cut out all sugars. I cut out breads and white potatoes. And I really just changed my diet around. I started losing weight. I started being more active. And my gums started getting healthier. My oral health improved. And I just felt overall healthy. I know this correlation between whole body health and oral health to be true because I've seen it over the 30 years of my dental health experience and my own experience. My mouth is healthy now. I have a very significant, this routine is the same, but what's really changed is my outlook and my diet and trying to switch that lifestyle up. I really am a firm believer in your lifestyle and that you are what you eat. I also know that it's not just what you're eating. I know that it's everything that's involved. It's how you're dealing with your stress in your life. It's how you're dealing with all the issues that you are bombarded with every day in life. I am a functional medicine coach now. The passion of my passion is oral health and trying to get people to get their mouths healthy and get their smiles and their overall health back. If you are interested in any of this and you want help with that, if you have oral health issues, perhaps it's just simple bleeding gums, maybe you're losing teeth, there's many factors there that I can help you with, and that we can help get your whole body healthy. Because if it's happening in your mouth, we know it's happening in your whole body. So thank you for your time, and till we talk again, thanks. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me through my email. You can reach out to me on my Facebook and my Instagram account. Thank you so much.